LX Laser's laser cutting machines are widely sold to Vietnamese customers from industries of furniture production, motorcycle production, and metal processing. The LXK series machines perfectly meet the requirements of these customers for cost-effective, with an economical price and powerful performance. 1.5G acceleration meets the needs of mass production. Material saving. With ultra-short waist of only 40 millimeters, it's 80% less than traditional tube cutting methods, saving 7 to 10 tons of raw materials in 1 year. Fully automatic, bundle loaders load and feed pipes automatically, without the need for manual intervention, greatly saving customer labor costs. Easy to operate. The Longxin system offers a user-friendly interface, and tube cutting can be completed with minimum setup. Stable and reliable. With high-standard machine tool production technology, this machine has the highest rigidity and shock resistance. LX Laser's laser cutting machines are the perfect choice for your production needs. For more information, visit LX Laser's website or contact us directly.